All right, so we've received the hydraulic jack here. We want to replace the blades on the small tractor here. This is everything as it was coming out of the box directly. We place things out here so we can see what we have. And then once we've done that, we'll now go to the steps. There's a diagram that shows all the parts. And the steps on how to install. It says, while you receive this item, almost all parts are already installed. As you can see, this is mostly already put together. So to put out the lift, place it on solid flat ground. Insert the bottom axle 18 onto the lift as diagram shows. May already be installed. Looks like it's the same on both sides. It's got 2 cotter pins and 2 different size washers. Add 2 casters on both sides of the axle and lock by the R pin with washers inside. So it's kind of a multi-step thing. They want us to do one thing, but it's more of a multi-step thing here. Needless to say, we've got to take these out. At least we have to take one out. Washers on the inside. So in order to put this through, so I got knee pads. Gotta go in the hole. That's cute. Now this looks like it's bent in a little bit, which could be causing a problem. Let's see if we can bend it out a little bit. Yep. Great. So it's reached the other side, but it's not matching the hole the way it should be. I'm going to see if it's possible for me to guide that into the hole better. Oh, provided I can get this thing back out now. All right, it's not in the hole now. The only thing I can think is maybe I can put this here. No, almost. Ah, we got it. Using the hand instead of the hammer. Hammer was too something. Now, we needed to put the wheels in. Okay, so here's what we do. The wheels have to go in, right? But we can push it back through that way to get the other wheel. Does that make sense? Yes. Washer on the inside. Right, and you turn it over. And we take this one out, washer off, and then we need to pull the wheel out. Probably the easiest thing here. And then tap it out with the screwdriver. You set up so you get the wheel in. Again. And tap it back through. And at this point, we have to give it a left tap. Washer, pin. That was step 2. Step 3. I like to orient things first. According to the diagram, see, they've already got this up in more of an upright position when we're installing this, okay. How to make that easier. Install the cradle 3 onto the top frame 2 from both sides. Adjust the position width of both cradles. Lock the position with lock pin 1. So depending on how wide you want it, we're going to put it at the second one for argument's sake. There, it's all the way in. One, two. Kind of gotta wiggle it, finesse it to get the other hole. Make sure the cradles fit under the ATV mower's wheels perfectly. Do not put the wheel outside of the cradle edge. It may cause the ATV mower to fall during lifting and cause damage and personal injury.